If your customers still call or text to check stock before placing an order, this video is for you. Inventory Sales Cloud gives wholesalers a private B2B portal with live inventory, fully connected to your warehouse. ISC runs your entire operation, from order placement to fulfillment, and includes powerful tools like private auctions and product advertising to help you grow sales without juggling multiple systems. Most wholesalers still manage orders through phone calls, text messages, emails, and manual stock lists sent to customers or through disconnected systems that were never built for B2B sales. The result, deals fall through every week because customers don't have real-time access to your inventory and end up ordering from outdated stock lists. Inventory Sales Cloud fixes this by giving your buyers a dedicated B2B ordering portal. Live inventory, their own login, their own pricing. Customers who prefer a stock list can download it anytime, directly from the portal. But now, buyers can also check livestock and place orders instantly. No calls, no waiting, no lost sales because they couldn't reach you. Customers can also track their order status, view invoices, and download packing slips anytime they need. Once an order comes in, your team processes it directly inside ISC, generating pick lists for the warehouse, scanning serialized inventory with full traceability, and producing packing slips showing exactly what was shipped. Every step is tracked, every item is accounted for, and your team stops wasting hours on manual paperwork. Inventory Sales Cloud integrates with QuickBooks, ShipStation, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and GoACH. Everything connected in one system. When buyers can check stock and order on their own schedule, wholesalers see 10 to 20% more sales, simply because ordering from them becomes easier than the competition. At the same time, automation across orders, inventory, and accounting saves teams 5 to 10 hours of manual work every week. If this looks like a fit for your business, just reply to this email and we'll set up a quick look at the platform together. No commitment, no pressure.